Welcome to my channel. My name is Elijah Alice, and in this video, this is the beautiful bag that we are going to be learning how to make. It's a traveling bag. So if this is your first time of coming to my channel, thank you for coming. And on this channel we teach bag making. So if this is what you like, please subscribe, like and share our videos. And please make sure you watch this video to the end. Please try and watch the video to the end. That way you'll be supporting me. Please. I noticed that some people don't watch to the end and it's affecting our videos. Make sure, even if you don't watch to the end, watch to half of it. So to all my returning subscribers, thank you. So this is the bag. This is the traveling bag that we are going to be learning on this video. So watch to the end, give this video a thumbs up, like our video and share our video. Thank you for stopping by. Let's get to work. The main piece is 13 by 18. 13 by 18. So we measure 3 inches from the 13 side. You can take 3 inches. We measure and cut it off because we are going to be fixing a zipper there, a pocket. So I have already cut it off. So after cutting it off, that 3 inches, the next thing is to put our zipper. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you are just watching this video and you have not subscribed, subscribe and hold the notification bell so that whenever I get a video, the subscribe button is under this video. Whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to get notification. On the notification bell if you have not on it. So people have not on it, they are subscribed, they have not on it, please on it. So what I'm doing now, I've already fixed the zip. I've shaped one, so I use the one that I shaped to shape the one that I post the zipper. That's what I'm doing now. So I shaped the front and I use the front to shape the back. So that is what I did. After then, it is time. This is the handle. Can you see? This is the handle. The handle is 45 inches long. We need 2 of it. But before we fix the handle, we will fix the pocket first. This is the pocket. The top pocket is 7 by 9. So we'll fit a zipper on it, which we have done. Then we fix a zipper pull on it. So it's 7 by 9. Then after then, the next thing to do is to fix in the pocket. So I sew it inside. Then I just centralize it. I'll sew it on the other, on both sides. So that's what I'm doing now. So you sew the pockets the way you see me do it. You sew it. Please watch this video to the end. If you have watched to this extent, thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. On the notification bell, click on the notification bell. So now I fix the pocket. It's time to fix the handle. So it's 3 inches from the center. I measure 3 inches. I place the handle there. Do the same thing to the other side. Then stitch it down straight. The same way you see me. Then from the hub, I stop at 2 inches. 2 inches. That is where I stop. So that is where I stop. So please watch to the end. There are some videos at the end of this video. If you watch to the end, you will be able to get them. So this is the 2 main body. Yes, I fix zip and pocket on both sides. Can you see? I fix the zipper. So the next thing to do now is to put the lining. So that is what I'm about to do. After then, I'm done with that. This is the gusset of the bag. The zip gusset is 4 by 22. So even my zip is 22 inches long. So I'm going to stitch it down. Then I will press stitch it. I do the same thing to the other side. So if you watch this video to the end, there are some video at the end that you will see. There are some other video that you may like to watch. You can click on it and watch it. So now I'm press stitching it. I'm done press stitching on both sides. This is the zipper gusset. This is 22 by 4, 2 pieces. Then when I bring them together, it's now 8 inches wide. So if you watch to the end of this video, you will see some other free videos that you can click and watch. Please like if you have not liked this video. Thank you for stopping by. So now this is our bottom gusset, 37 by 8.5. It's 37 by 8.5. That is the bottom and the side gusset. So what I'm doing now, I want to fix the long handle. The long belt is 90 inches long. I folded it into so I measure it. It's 90 inches long. So I'm going to put in the one edge of it in my plastic adjuster. You will need two plastic adjusters. One is to fix the long belt. So you measure 2 inches down. Can you see it? You measure 2 inches down. Make sure you centralize it. Make sure you centralize it. As you put your handle, make sure it's at the center. That's what I'm trying to confirm, that it's at the center. So when you set it that the belt is at the center, then the next thing to do, you keep sewing it. You sew it to the underside, straight like that. We are going to be using this as the shoulder handle for the bag, for the traveling bag. So I've got to the end of that side. Then you will turn again. Make sure you also back stitch. You will turn and then you will come down. You will sew down. If you have watched this video to this extent, thank you very much. If you are new to this channel, my name is Elijah Alice. This channel is all about bag making. So you are welcome. Please make sure you like this video and please subscribe to our channel. So now we are done. This is a zipper gusset and this is the bottom gusset. We are going to join both together. That is the next thing to do now. Like this. Can you see the way I'm doing it? Yes, you bring it together like that. We have put lining, we have joined them. Is to now sew it together. So that is what I'm doing right now. I've joined them together. Now we are press stitching it. After you join together, you needed to press stitch. So I'm press stitching it now. So I've press stitched it. Can you see it? So I'm done press stitching it. So the next thing is to bring the zipper gusset together and notch the center. Notch the center. Yes. Then after notching the center, notch the center of the main piece, the two main pieces. Notch the up center and the down center. Can you see it? After notching, then you start sewing. Start sewing the gusset. Start sewing from the zipper gusset and you sew it round until you get to the other side. That's what. So I'm done sewing it. After sewing, I join the other side the same way I joined the first side. Press stitch it, then I sew it down. So this is it. So now what to do now is I bring the two together. I will notch it. I will notch it. Can you see it? Yes, I will notch it from the up side and then I will trace it down. I will trace it down. Then I will notch it on the down side. Then I will take the second piece and fix it on it. I have already notched that one. I will just put it on it and start sewing it round. Yes, I start sewing it round. So that's what I'm doing right now. So you just sew it the same way you sew the first one. You sew it round like that. Thank you. So I have sewn it. I've sewn it round. Can you see? I'm done with it. I've sewn the second side on it. So the next thing to do is to carry our belt or your bias. If you have bias, then you pipe it round. You tape it. That's what I'm doing. I want the edge, the inside to be very neat and strong. So I'm taping it round now. Yes, I'm done with it. I'm done with it. Can you see it? So now is to turn it out. I've sewn it. I'm done with it. So you can leave it like that, but it makes the inside to be neat. So after then, the next thing now is to turn it out. This is the final result. If you have watched to this extent, oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. There are other videos at the end of this video that you would like to watch. Just watch, click it and watch. We have different videos on our channel. We have lunchbox, we have school bags and different videos. So this is it after turning it up. Then I'm fixing the long handle. See the way I fix it. See the way I'm fixing. If you don't understand it, then you can drop your question in the comment section if you have any question. Now this is the belt holder. This is the handle, the two handle holder. So now it's 5 by 6. I just shape it. So this is velcro. You need 5 inches velcro. So I'm going to put the velcro on it, and then I will measure half inches on that side and I will sew. That's what I'm doing. I will sew it one of the velcro on the inside and one of the velcro on the outside. But I will measure half inches away from the edge. Half inches away from the edge before I sew it. Can you see it? So that is what I did. After sewing the velcro on it, the next thing is to use my belt. Either you use belt or you use your bias, 1 inches bias, to tape it round. That is what I'm doing right now. So can you see it? That's what I'm doing. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for watching. We have come to the end of this video. So I will see you in my next video. If you like to watch any of the video that pop up at the end of this video, click on it and watch. So now I'm putting the handle holder on the handle. You just make sure you get the center of the handle, then you place it on it and just stitch it down straight, just to hold it down. So that is what I'm doing right now. So thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. So any of the video that you like to watch, either this or the other one, anyone that pop up, you can watch it. Bye. Thank you for staying tuned. God bless you.